Hi guys, this is James. Now I am super excited to let you know that on the 3rd of July 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern, Tonai is going live. Tonai is a software by Tom Yevsikov as well as Firas Alameh. And Tonai is a tool that is going to boost your business in a super simple way that saves you a ton of time. I got a review of Tonai coming up. Before that, check out this demo.
Hello, welcome to this Tonai Demo video. I'm going to start by demonstrating this feature over here. Click on Create New. I am going to create a storytelling video. We also have marketing and promo videos. So, I'm going to enter a headline. She never. Okay, I like this. She never knew her husband is a ghost. I am going to select the language in which I want the audio of the video to be produced. And I am going to select the voice. Okay, I will go with this. And I go with this voice style. Alright, so you can test the speech setting over here. And then next, I am going to search for a video. So I'm going to scroll down, scroll through the videos and check for the one that fits my purpose. And that's all. So click on Generate Content. We can proceed. So the video is generated, so take a look at it. Open it clearly on a full screen, and then play the video. A ghost who is a husband and father of two is passing through the world in order to find his family who doesn't know he's dead. He falls in love with a woman and gets married. He doesn't want to tell her who he is because he worries she will leave him if she knows. Years go by and they have a daughter together. One day, the ghost tells his wife that he is actually dead, and she's so angry, So that is it. You can share this on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Okay, and next I'm going to demonstrate is the audio message AI.so. This enables you to create audio SMS, and also audio reviews, and podcasts. So, I'm going to start with the audio reviews. So the first step is to enter the headline. And then, click on Generate button. I have other headline suggestions. But I'm just going to stick to my original headline idea of the audio itself, which you can actually download. Then you have the transcript, in which you can actually change the language. Translate to any other language. Let me just do that. Before we do that, let me play this. So you can hear the sound. I've been using Tonai for 2 months and it has been consistently generating original content that I have published on. And can change the language to any other language. Let me select Germany. You have Germany, and then you can see, once you select the language, the transcript has been translated to that language automatically. And when I select English, so you can see it has been select Germany, now the voice changes, translated to English in Australia. So if I select Greeks, it's been translated, you can see. And also the voice for Greeks will appear. And it's translated to German, and then you have the voice. Have it. And on this, so this is in Germany, wanna bet? Next I'm going to demonstrate the blog and article creator. Click on Create New. Enter a headline, then click on Generate to get other suggestions. Here, I have this. How to invest in real estate among. So this is the blog or the article that is being generated. So you can take a look at it, and can see just how super cool it is. Next, is copywriting tools, categorized under various use cases. We have the video use case. You can check over here. And then we have the social and article use case, you can see. The various sub-tools, and then we have the social media use case. We have the product and other media use case. And then we have question and answers to SMS and notifications, testimonials and review, text completer, content summarize, content spinner. So I'm going to demonstrate the question and answer. And you can select the number of copies you want to produce. For this demonstration, select the language. We have different languages. And then, click on Generate. OK. So here you go. You can see this. This is the number of copies that were selected. And you can see. What are the benefits of real estate and investment? So you copy the question, to get the answer. And then click on Get Answers. And the answer is generated for you. It takes just a few seconds. So you can take a look at it. Right, the next, you can change the tone of voice. So we have different tones. Here we have an appreciative tone and an assertive tone. And lots of others. I'm going to choose this compassionate tone. And when you select the tone, it will regenerate the questions using that very tone. So you enter the headline and you have other headline suggestions. So I'm going to stick with this and you have some descriptive ideas. I'm going to use this. So we have our email copy generated for us, so the subject is given to you real estate investment strategies and then you look at the email copy. You can see and the second email copy. And the third email copy. Thank you very much for watching this demo. Hope you like this brief demo.
All right, people, let's dive into the sales page of Tonai and uncover the goodies that this software has. Now, Tonai is an AI-based technology, as you saw from the demo, that creates tone-based, captivating voiceovers, video reels, audio messages, reviews, articles, podcasts, sales pages, sales videos, and a bunch of other stuff as well. So that's a ton of stuff in Tonai. It's like a suite of tools. So you select, play, and control all of your content with 30 plus interchanging and smooth, natural, human-like tones. Now, you may agree or not agree based on the demo, but it's acceptable from my perspective. Now, with Tonai, you can create video reels for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook in any language and voice. Now you can create audio SMS, audio reviews, audio notifications, audio testimonials, podcasts, and send to contacts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and any other instant messaging app or social media apps in any language and voice. Now you can quickly auto-generate voiceover for your marketing purposes in any language and tone of voice in one click. And you can gain access to 30 plus tones of voice, having human-like pitch and pace. So if you control the pitch and the pace, it will become more human-like and less robotic. So it generates also original song lyrics and write engaging and creative fiction stories in 2 clicks in any language and voice. It has the potential to produce engaging content in any language or voice that you want. You can publish generated content to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and other social media platforms in any language and voice. Now remember, guys, as you are about to buy, use the code Tonai20 to get $20 off. Now, Tonai is promoted by Yevsikov and Firas Alameh. Okay, guys, let's have a look at the features of Tonai. Number one, you get access to real human-like voice styles. Secondly, there is the AI video maker. Number three is the audio message AI. Number four is the voice over AI. Fifth is the TikTok content AI. And Tonai is perfect for digital marketers, video creators, of course, video editor, audio creators, social media managers, business managers, and any other niches that you may be involved in where Tonai would have a place. So guys, on the sales page, there are 4 customer testimonials that you can go through. Let's check out more features, guys. There are tones, 30 plus tones that you can use. It is new age technology. It is completely natural. There's no language barrier because it is not dependent on GPT-3. And you can share across multiple platforms and it comes with lifetime access as well. So there are three bonuses, guys, when you pick it up during this launch phase. Bonus number one is 10x social. Secondly, Market Kit. And the third is Soshi Send. And the price, guys, is just a one-time $47. And there is a 14-day money-back guarantee. So check out this limitations guide before you click the buy button. Generate up to 50K characters. You can generate up to 10 videos. Using the AI video maker, you generate up to 10 audio SMSs only. Generate up to 10 audio reviews and testimonials. You can generate up to 10 voiceovers. Generate up to 10 lyric songs. And generate up to 10 video stories. Now, I'm going to be revealing the upsells or the upgrades that can remove these limitations. Now, Tonai is 100% SaaS, so therefore it doesn't matter what device you use. And it comes with tutorial videos as well, although you don't need to be technically proficient in using a tool like this. Okay, people, let's go through the upgrades. Upgrade number one is Tonai Pro, and this is all that you get with it. Upgrade number two is Tonai Advanced. Upgrade number three is Tonai Unlimited. Upgrade number four is Tonai Agency License, going for $297 one time. Upgrade number five is Tonai Agency Pro Max, going for $397 one time. And upgrade number six is the Tonai Bundle, which goes for $287 after the $100 coupon. Okay, people, take note of the webinar, which is at 10 a.m. Eastern on July 3rd, where the bundle deal is being revealed. So jump in on that webinar, and the way to register for that webinar is to click on the link below this video, and you will land on my bonus page, which reveals the bonuses I have set up for you when you pick up Tonai through my link. So click at the top of the page. So click on the button at the top of the page or the link at the bottom, and you will land on the webinar registration page. There you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough and demo of Tonai has shown you the power of this software in boosting your business and saving you time in the process. Check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I have prepared for you when you pick up Tonai through my link. And I wish you great success with Tonai.